Welcome back, learners. I hope you had a nice quick rest. Let's continue with our application questions. Sihle saw a milk tart recipe online. She decided to use it to make some for her grandmother's birthday. Today, study the recipe below and answer the questions that follow. We're given a recipe there. We're given the cooking time, the preparation time, and the temperature at which should be baked. And then we are also given that this is for one milk tart and it serves 8 people. The first question says, how long will it take Sihle to complete baking? Sihle prepares this milk tart for 30 minutes. So it's 30 minutes plus she cooks it for 40 minutes. So 30 plus 40 gives us 70 minutes. But because we already see that we have 60 minutes in an hour, so it means we already have an hour here. So when we say 70 minus 60, we still get a few minutes, which is 10 minutes. Therefore, we can express this in hours and minutes. Then we have 1 hour. This will take her 1 hour and 10 minutes to bake this milk tart. The next question says, how many liters of milk will Sihle need to bake 2 milk tarts? This is just for 1 milk tart. And how many cups do we need? We need 4 1/4 cups. So let's just find the number of cups needed for this milk tart. We say it's 4 1/4. What is a quarter? You just say 1 divided by 4, and then you j equals to, it gives you 0.25. So it means it's 4.25 cups that are used to bake this 1 milk tart. Then how many liters? This is requiring us in liters. We have the conversion factor that 1 cup is equals to 250 milliliters. So we have to convert to milliliters first before you can convert to liters. So we'll say 4.25 divided by 1, it's cup and cup. So that cup and cup can divide and give us 1 multiplied by 250 milliliters. So what is 4.25 divided by 1? It's 4.25. Then you multiply it by 250. What do we get? We get 1,062.5 milliliters. Remember the keke that we used. How do we convert from milliliter to liter? We say keke hates doing, remember it's what? It is volume, so it's LO. Hates doing LO during cold months. So we are moving from milliliter to the LO, to the liters. So you put a 1 and it zeros up until then you divide. So it means you're going to divide the 1,062.5 divided by 1,000. Then what do you get? We are getting, it's 0.625 liters. There was no instruction on how you must leave it to decimal points. So you can write it exactly as it is. So it means we have 1,000.0625 liters in 4 1/4 cups of milk. Study the extract from the TV guide given below and answer the questions that follow. The first question says, is the program The Mentalist advisable for 15-year-olds? Give a reason for your answer. Let's check, where is the Mentalist? The Mentalist. Here is our Mentalist. You are given that it is 16. Is it advisable for 15-year-olds? No, it is not. Why? Because the guidance that we are given is that it should be watched by people that are 16 years and older. That is your reason. Why? B says, what is the duration of the Bok class? Give your answer in hours only. The duration for Bok class, where is the Bok class? Here is the Bok class. What time does the Bok class start? The Bok class will start at 10:30 in the evening, and it will end at the time where the next show starts, which is at 22:12. So it means the duration will be 23:40 minus 22:30. Then you do the calculation. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then what is 23 minus 22 is 1. So it means it takes an hour, 30 minutes. So he said express it in hours only. So it means we've got 1 full hour. So we just have to convert the minutes to what? The minutes to hours. How do we convert minutes to hours? Minutes to hours is from small to big, so you divide. So you will say 10 divided by 60. What does it give us? It gives us a very long number. So we've got 1 hour plus the 0.166667. So when you add it together, it gives you 1.0166 hours. So you can round it off to the nearest, so it becomes 7. You round off to the nearest 4 digits after the comma. So it's 1.0164 hours. Then C says, at what time in the afternoon can you watch the Big Bang Theory? Give your answer in words. Where is the Big Bang Theory in the afternoon? It is watched at 5:30. So it means you will write it as half past 5. Yes. Okay, the next question says, for how long will you be watching TV if you watch the first 3 shows of the day as shown on the TV guide alongside? So which are those first shows? The first one, it's at the time it starts at 5:37, which is 23 minutes to 6, and that is Fila Entertainment, so I'll write it as show number 1. Then show number 2, it starts at 6 o'clock in the morning, which is Junior Master Chef. Then the third one starts at 6:52, which is 8 minutes to 7, and that is Fila Entertainment as well. So we've got the 3 shows. So now we have to check how long does each show take. So the first one, it ends at 6 o'clock, but it starts at 23 minutes to 6. So now let's find the difference between the 2 times. So because 0 cannot subtract 37, we have to borrow an hour from our side. So when we borrow an hour, it means this is no longer 6, but it's now 5, right? Then if it's 5, then we take the hour, which is 1 hour, we change it to minutes, because now we are taking it to our minute side. So it was 1 hour, so 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. So we'll say 60 minus 37. What is 60 minus 37? You can use your calculator, so it's gonna be 23. I'm getting 23. So you say 60 minus 37, are you getting 23? Yes, it's 23. So it's 23 minutes because 5 minus 5 will give us 0. So it means now we've got 23 minutes for this show. Then the next show now, it's the Junior Master Chef. It starts at 6 and it ends at 6:52. So we have 6:52, which is 8 minutes to 6. Then you subtract 6, which is the time at which it starts. So 52 can subtract 0. So what is 52 minus 0? It's 52. Then what is 6 minus 6? It's 0. So it means it lasts for 52 minutes. Then we go to the third one. The third show starts at 6:52, which is 8 minutes to 7. So it's, it doesn't end at 6. It ends at 7. So it means it's 07. Then it starts at what time? At 6:52. So can we subtract 0 and 52? No, so we have to borrow an hour on this side. So when we borrow our hour, it means now this becomes 6. We took our 1 hour that side. But the hour should be converted to minutes, which is 60 minutes. So what is 60 minus 52? It gives us 8. So it means this second filler, it lasted for 8 minutes. Then now we have to check how long will you be watching this TV. So we have to add all the times. So you will say 23 minutes plus 52 minutes plus 8 minutes, plus 08 minutes. You can use your calculator to add. Say 23 plus 52 plus 8. What do we get? I subtracted. So we're supposed to add. Sorry about that. 52 plus 8. So we are getting 83 minutes. But 83 minutes, you can see that already there is an hour there. So how do? You can say 83 minus 60 minus our hour to check how many. We've got 1 hour. So 83 minus 60, what does it give us? It gives us 1 hour, and then what is left when you subtract 60 from 83, you are left with 23. So it means these shows have actually lasted 1 hour. You'll be watching TV for 1 hour, 23 minutes. All right, so this is 1 hour, 23 minutes. So let's take a quick ad break and then we'll continue afterwards.